Hello everyone, welcome back to All About Linux. So in this video, we will be looking at how to record screen in Ubuntu 22.04. So let's start. So just open terminal here and we will simply install a screen recorder named SimpleScreenRecorder to record the screen in Ubuntu 22.04. So let's start. Simply type here the command sudo apt install simple screen and recorder. Make sure that you should not include any space in between, and after you have installed SimpleScreenRecorder, now we will simply open SimpleScreenRecorder here. You can simply remove this to open SimpleScreenRecorder, and you can simply click on skip this page next time. You can simply click on continue, and here you can simply select record the entire screen or record a fixed rectangle. It depends upon the user. I will of course select the record the entire screen, and you can also select the frame rate. By default I have selected as 30. You can click on record cursor, and of course you also want to record the audio, so simply select here record audio, and make sure that you should select this option, built-in audio analog stereo. You should select this second option in order to record audio. If you select the first option, you might see that your audio is not recording well, so just select the second option, built-in audio analog stereo, and after you have done that, simply click on continue. And now you can simply give whatever name that you want to give. Of course I will keep this by as default, and you can also give the location where you want to save this video. After you have done that, simply click on continue, and then you can simply minimize the screen, and you can simply click on here. I will simply hide this window, and to start the recording, you can simply click on start recording. And if you are not satisfied with your screen recording, then you can simply cancel that recording. You can simply click on save recording if you want to save that recording, and of course this is a quit button if you want to quit from this application. So this is all about SimpleScreenRecorder, but make sure that you are not logged in on VLAN, because screen recording is not supported on VLAN. You should be logged into Ubuntu 22.04 default, because in Ubuntu 22.04 by default it will log in into VLAN. Make sure that you should not be logged into VLAN, otherwise you would face certain kind of errors there regarding screen recording. Of course you can solve those errors on VLAN, but it's better that you can use the default desktop that Ubuntu 22.04 has provided. So yeah, in this way you can simply record screen. There is also the alternative option available. You can install any other screen recorder as well. It depends upon you, but you can also use the system screen recorder. You can simply type here print screen, and you can simply click on screencast. You can simply select the screen here, and you can simply click on this button to start the recording. But in this case, depending upon your system, audio might work or not work. In my case, audio is not working, so I do not use this option, but you can still use this option. If you do not want to record any audio, you can still use this second option as an alternative. So yeah, you can simply click on this button again to stop the recording, and yeah, in this way you can simply record the screen in Ubuntu 22.04. So that's it for this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video. So till then, goodbye.